Hey everybody, it's Neil and we are at the bar and I have here the Mawisek shaker, and my box didn't come very well, but let's make sure that the item inside comes good. It does, that's beautiful. Boy, that's some heavy duty, nice shaker. And we got our different parts, pieces and parts. So we have here our bottom part. And then we have our top part, I think, or like that, so you can shake it like that. And we have the little shot glass here, so two different sizes there, that one and that size there. And we have our little strainer, so we can strain it into a glass. I'm not sure what we have here as far as straining, but we can strain into a glass once we do it. So if we were to make a drink, don't think we have any alcohol here that I'm allowed to use on camera, but I'll just show you guys here. We would do this. There's no ice at the moment. One sec, I'll be right back with some ice. Okay, I put some ice in here. I don't know if you can see, just a little bit of ice cubes. And I'm just gonna show you guys how you do this. You kind of close it up like that, and you can shake it. And when you shake it, you see it doesn't really spill or anything like that, but look how cold it's getting. You can see it's getting all frosty on the outside there. And so then you'll kind of just knock it apart, and you'll have your freezing cold drink in there like so, and you'll get to strain it into your glass. And this is gonna be some super duper cold water. And just for curiousness, yeah, my ice cubes are about half the size as they were, so I really got rid of a lot. So it totally does a great job. It's nice, it's got nice rims. You know, the measuring of it will be nice. You can do some good measuring. Ooh, this is so cold, everything's so cold. But yeah, and this is it. So it's a nice set. So if you need to get a shaker set, I would go with the Mawisek cocktail shaker. So there you go. Very nice, thumbs up from me.